ZiAsia, and today I'm going to be dyeing these blonde bundles and frontal from QT Hair using Adore in the color 90, which is this nice lavender shade that I am in love with. To dye this hair, I'm going to be using the watercolor method. Now, you don't have to boil the water, but I feel like the hotter the water is, the better the color comes out. But this is just my preference, and it's entirely up to you. Now, once the water is hot enough, you want to go ahead and pour it into a bin and then add the hair dye. You can either add all the dye at once or one bottle at a time. I chose to do it one bottle at a time just because I feel like I have better control of the results that way. Next, you want to go ahead and dip the hair in one bundle at a time just to make sure that you're getting the hair completely covered. You don't want to have any spots that didn't take to the color. Now I'm going to go ahead and dye this frontal. I did forget to cover it with the Got To Be Glue gel to protect the lace in case any of the color got on it, but thankfully that was not an issue. Before you discard the water, be sure to pour some into either a spray bottle or a cup just in case there are any spots in the hair that did not take to the color. So here is the finished product. I have to say I'm really loving the way this color came out. It's very full, very even. It was not patchy at all. And even though I did save some water, I didn't have to go back over the hair again because the color took the first time around, which was great. To install this unit, I'm going to be using the bald cap method, which requires you to put the wig cap on and pull it down over your ears. There are a lot of different options to use to secure the wig, but I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued freezing spray. Now, this method is quite time consuming, but you want to make sure that the Got To Be Glued spray is completely dry to ensure that your wig does not lift. Okay, so now once that's dry, we're going to go ahead and cut out our ear holes. So grab your handy dandy scissors. You're just going to go ahead and cut right behind the ear. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut off the excess cap. Cutting off the band did cause some of the wig cap to lift, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of Got To Be Glued and use my dryer to make sure that this cap is secured to my head. Looks like it is secured and ready to go. Moving on. Next, I'm going to use some of my foundation powder and apply it just to the front of the wig cap. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig cap on just to see how I want to go about installing it. Then I'm going to be adding more Got To Be Glued. That's right. I'm going to be adding more Got To Be Glued to the wig cap so that I can secure the wig to the cap. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off. I want to cut as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair itself. And then to better hide that lace, I'm going to be adding baby hairs to the hairline as well. Okay, so while those edges sit, I think I'm gonna go for like a wet look with this wig because I kind of already did the straight colored wig with the green one. So I want to do something a little bit more funky. This look is inspired by Nicki Minaj at Fashion Week of last year when she had the wet purple bob. So yes, let's try something like that. I didn't have a spray bottle on hand, so I just used my shower head to wet this wig, but I was careful to avoid my baby hairs though. To style this wet look, I'm going to be using this curling mousse that I got from Walmart for about $4. I'm also going to be adding my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, which is the conditioner that I use for all of my curly hair units. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be adding some Ascensions Lacquer Premium Finishing Spritz. Now, I'm just about done with this unit, but I'm going to be cutting my bang to frame my face. You guys know my face has to be the centerpiece of all my units. So I'm going to be cutting it to give it more of a feathering effect. And without further ado, here is the finished look. Here is the completed look, guys. I'm so happy with the way this came out. I freaking love this look. It is so freaking cute. If I didn't tell you guys before, this hair is from QT Hair, an AliExpress company. They sent me this. They sent me 3 bundles of their blonde 613 Brazilian body wave in the inches 14, 16, and 18, and they sent me a 12-inch frontal. As you guys can see, I have to say, in my opinion, this wig came out way better than the green wig that I did previously, and I'm very happy to be seeing improvement, guys. That means I am getting better, I'm progressing, so I cannot wait to do my next wig. I won't tell you guys just yet what color I'm doing, but be on the lookout for that because that wig is coming very, very soon as well. This unit I'm going to name Ursula, an ode to The Little Mermaid. It's one of my favorite Disney movies. I am feeling this wet look, but I could have easily left it dry. I could have straightened it, I could have curled it, but I just want to try something different. I didn't want to do too much because the hair is already bright. It's already a bright color, so I didn't want to do curls or anything like that. So I think this style is perfect for me. But let me know what you guys think down below. Did I kill this unit or not? I want to know you guys' honest opinion. You know, if it's trash, tell me, y'all. Okay, be honest, because if y'all not being honest, then I'm not going to get better, okay? So that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have more great content coming your way. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give the video a big thumbs up, and also share it with any of your other girls that you know might want to see this slay, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.